I got here the 1968 G20 defroster vents that I just recently scanned and printed. I got the a good one from a fellow member of the group, Ken, and they've come out pretty good with the tabs. However, the software and the printer joins the tab and doesn't see it as a movable tab. And I've tried, as you can see on the white one coming up, I've tried a hot knife and I've tried a sonic knife to cut through it, but it damages the inside and it melts the plastic. But you can see, like on the green one, it looks good, it fits well, but again, it's not perfect like the other ones I've made. It's the best effort that I can do, but they look pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.